You saw a daytime flight of this. Now we must show you the LEDs. Oh my God, look at that thing. Are you kidding me? Jesus Christ. I tell you what. You will not lose line of sight of this. Wow. And that was way over there. Crystal's over here with me. She'll vouch for that. She's probably thinking, what the hell is he doing? Gonna lose the thing? Just look at the path it leads. Wow. I don't have my goggles, so we're not going to put it into air mode and go bashing it all up pieces, but that is crazy. The lights are amazing. And you can still see it. That's the thing with the white lights on the arms. That's what I like about it, because you can still see where the quad's at and what the quad's doing. Look at that. I don't lose nothing on it. It's like I'm out here in the daytime flying around. You feel the wind off of that bad boy too. Wow, really nice, really enjoy it. They're super bright. Let's go over here and light Crystal up. I mean, if you want some overhead work light, this is what it's going to happen for you. Look at her over there in the dark, huh? Really cool. So I brought this out just in case I need it, a headlight. Look at that. Huh? Got headlights on her. Look at that bitch. Jesus Christ. Tim, you can't have her. She's not a little work light. It's just a little Nebo work light. I just mounted it right on the camera lens, but look at that. I mean, it's lighting me up all the way over here. Actually, rather blinding. It's okay. That's our night flight. Now we're going to do some light painting with the GoPro, so stay tuned for them pictures and we'll put it together and make a nice little video out of it and whatnot. But yeah, I thought that was right cool. Yeah.